Alright, we're going to do a bike check on the 2011 We the People Trust. Not much is different from the other update, so just a couple of things. Start out with the grips, ODI long neck, SS super soft, We the People bars, Salt Plus stem, Salt fork, We the People 2011 chromoly frame, chromoly forks, chromoly bars with chromoly cranks, Odyssey trail mixed sealed pedals, Salt Plus sealed front hub, 2.25 pitch raw tire in front, Kink 2.10 tire in the back, Premium Product Stinger hub, Shadow Conspiracy Raptor hub guard, clear brake pads with Salt brakes, sealed mid BB, Premium Products sprocket, KMC drop buster chain, double wall Jalco double 1-inch back rim 36 hole, E-Clat Trippin front rim 36 hole female front hub, 14 mil rear hub, 3/8 fork. That's pretty much it. Oh, Odyssey trigger lever. Kink linear cable. Do a hub sound check. Pretty loud. Not real happy with the hub, but it's better than the original, I guess. I don't know. But that's my bike update. It's got a We the People suede seat with pivotal seat post. That's pretty much it. Hope you liked it. Maybe soon there'll be something else different to the bike. I plan on getting a new shipment in from Dan's here at Christmas, so guess we'll update it then. See ya. Thanks for watching. See ya.